Lanzarote is a stunning island located in the Canary Islands. It's famous for its volcanic landscapes, crystal clear waters, and unique flora and fauna. However, what many people don't know is that the island is also a paradise for hikers. The terrain can be challenging. The weather conditions can also be harsh, with high temperatures, strong winds, and occasional rain. But the hiking routes are truly breathtaking. The island has a network of well-marked trails that wind through the scenic countryside. Nestled on the southwestern coast of the Canary Island, El Golfo is a charming village with a population of around 172 people. Although small, this village is a popular destination for hikers and nature enthusiasts due to its stunning natural attractions. In today's video, we take you along with us, hiking through the El Golfo Natural Park, where you can experience the rugged coastline, the secluded beaches, and the hidden gems that make this place so special. Come in, let me show you my home. This is the living room area. Mind your head. And this is mind blowing.
That's crazy.
Okay.
We are at beautiful Playa de Paso. Big surf today, beautiful cliffs, otherworldly landscape. Inside, Team on Fire National Park, Lanzarote. Collecting beauty.
Making some
Oh,
shells.
nice. Really beautiful. Mila wants to show me something. Oh, careful, baby. It looks like a Portuguese man.
No, but they don't stink.
Literally exactly what it is.
Yeah, it's crazy, huh?
Looks like a Let's Go of that, maybe. I don't know, I can't really tell, but